Do you want to build a powerful business app with Python? Whether it's a mobile app, a web dashboard, or even an AI chatbot, Python has you covered. Today, I'm breaking down the top 10 Python libraries you need to know to build modern business applications. Stick around to the end, and I'll show you how to combine multiple libraries to build something really cool. Imagine you build an app, and it just works on Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac with the same code. Kivy is perfect for touchscreen apps with gestures like swiping and pinching. It has a built-in UI toolkit, so you don't need extra design tools. If you want a full-fledged desktop app that looks super polished, PyQt and PySide are the way to go. These offer drag-and-drop UI builders, so you don't have to design from scratch. These tools support advanced widgets like tables, charts, and form inputs. Imagine a finance app that lets users track expenses, visualize income, and generate reports, just like a pro. Django is a beast when it comes to scalable web applications. Companies like Instagram and Spotify use it. Django offers built-in authentication and an admin panel, which helps you manage your data without extra coding. An example of a Django app would be a customer relationship management app where a sales team can track leads, customers, and performance all in one place. Django is great, but if you want something lighter and more flexible, Flask is your go-to. Flask is perfect for APIs and is super customizable. One use of Flask will be in an appointment booking API that lets customers check available slots and reserve appointments seamlessly. If your business app deals with data, Pandas is a must-have. Pandas handles massive datasets like Excel, but it is way more powerful. It reads and writes files, supports CSV, Excel, and even databases. One can use Pandas to create a sales analytics tool that finds trends, tracks revenue, and generates reports automatically. If your app needs charts, graphs, or visual insights, these two libraries will be your best friends. Matplotlib is best for static charts, and Plotly is best for interactive dashboards. One can use these two to create a real-time stock market dashboard where users can zoom into price trends and analyze market movements. No more messy SQL queries. SQL Alchemy lets you use Python to interact with databases safely. It prevents SQL injection attacks and works with MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQLite. SQL Alchemy will be perfect for an inventory management system that tracks product stock and updates records instantly. Ever had an app freeze while sending an email? Salary prevents that. It runs background tasks and keeps your app fast. An e-commerce store that sends automated order confirmation emails after a purchase will be perfect for this Python package. Do you want to add AI chatbots or smart automation to your business app? These libraries make it easy. You can use AI to handle customer support and automate responses. You can connect AI models to your business data for smarter insights. You can also have a customer service chatbot that helps users navigate your app and answer frequently asked questions 24/7. Do you need a super fast API for real-time apps? Fast API is the answer. Fast API is much faster than Flask and Django, and it auto-generates interactive API documents. A ride-sharing app backend that matches passengers with drivers in real time will be perfect for Fast API. So, which of these Python libraries are you most excited to use? Let me know in the comment section. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.